Now there's a really cool feature in all of Microsoft's Visual Studio based products. And that of course is what Visual C++ 2010 Express is. And that is the ability to show your line numbers. I don't know why this is not turned on by default. But let me show you how to do that, and in the meantime show you how to get to some other options that you might want to see. And the way we're going to do that is if you will open Visual C++ 2010 Express and just open whatever project you want to work on. And once you set this, it will stay open. Click on Tools at the top and then just come down to Options. And once you get in there, you're going to see yours will probably look like this. A number of different areas, and I would strongly recommend you go through here and just kind of look. For example, in environment, I can determine the number of items to show in the window menu, how many things to show in the recently used lists, that sort of thing. Show the status bar, you know, all that kind of thing. Auto recovery, documents, extension manager, find and replace. You can set all that stuff. Okay. Now the startup menu, you can see at the startup when you start the program up, do you want to show the startup page and all that stuff. Okay. Now if you go down the text editor though and you click on all languages, there's a couple of things here that are really cool. The main one is right here. Notice line numbers. If I check line numbers and click OK, you're going to notice that I'm now getting line numbers in the window. All right. And so as I start to write C++ code here, if I could type, it would be really, really good, wouldn't it? You can see that I can immediately see the numbers, the lines that I'm on. And it's also giving me visual cues as to what lines have changed since the last time I saved. So if I come right here and put int A, notice that's yellow. It's telling me that line has changed since the last time I saved. All right. And so that gives me my line numbers. Now let me go back in there and show you one other one that some people like. Now this is one of those things that some people love this and some people go nuts, and that is word wrap. And word wrap will do just exactly what it does in any other application. All right. If I make my screen real tight here, all right, and then I start to type, say, a comment, this is a test to see how this will work. Notice it's going to wrap that for me, and if I have room, it will automatically wrap it just like in a Word application. Now again, some people love that, some people hate it. That's your choice. You'll have to see what you want to do there. Okay, but pay attention to tools, options. Go out there and play with that stuff. Notice, let me show you this right quick. You can set, for example, on formatting, the way things format up. You can set your text. You can come out here and set actual colors of your text in all languages. You can set all kinds of things. Okay, so just go out there and play, look around and see what you can do. But a lot of options out there that a lot of people never even think about, never get into, but especially line numbers. Go turn those on. They can help tremendously.